The life of a celebrity often seems glamorous and untouchable, but behind the scenes, many stars encounter significant challenges. Fame, fortune, and adulation don't always guarantee a happy ending. In fact, some celebrities have endured financial ruin, personal setbacks, and public humiliation, losing everything they once held dear. Number 13. Johnny Depp, legal battles and financial troubles. Johnny Depp was once among Hollywood's highest-paid actors, with franchises like Pirates of the Caribbean generating billions at the box office. However, legal battles with his ex-wife Amber Heard and years of reckless spending led to financial ruin. Depp admitted that his lifestyle cost around $2 million per month, and he filed lawsuits against his management company, accusing them of mismanaging his finances. The fallout from his public defamation trial with Heard damaged his reputation, leading to lost roles and endorsements. Although he has begun rebuilding his career with recent projects, the toll on his mental health and finances was devastating. Number 12. Lindsay Lohan, from stardom to bankruptcy. Lindsay Lohan's early career was filled with promise, starring in films like Mean Girls and The Parent Trap. However, fame at a young age, combined with substance abuse issues and run-ins with the law, derailed her career. Lohan's legal troubles resulted in expensive court fees, fines, and rehab stays. By the time she turned 30, she had spent most of her fortune. In an attempt to pay off her debts, Lohan tried several comebacks in reality television and opened a nightclub in Greece, but she never fully recovered her former status. Number 11. MC Hammer, bankruptcy. After lavish spending, MC Hammer was one of the biggest musical sensations of the early 90s, with hits like You Can't Touch This propelling him to superstardom. However, his extravagant lifestyle, complete with a mansion, luxury cars, and a 200-person entourage, drained his fortune of $70 million. By 1996, Hammer declared bankruptcy, citing debts of over $13 million. Although he later found modest success in reality TV and other business ventures, his financial downfall serves as a cautionary tale about the pitfalls of unchecked spending. Number 10. Nicolas Cage, overspending on exotic purchases. Nicolas Cage was one of Hollywood's most sought-after actors, earning millions per film. However, he developed a reputation for outrageous spending, buying rare artifacts, exotic animals, castles, and even entire islands. Cage's spending spiraled out of control, and he eventually faced lawsuits and tax problems, owing millions to the IRS. While Cage managed to avoid bankruptcy by taking on a series of smaller roles, his financial troubles forced him to sell most of his assets. Today, Cage has rebuilt his career with indie films, but his story remains a stark reminder of the dangers of financial excess. Number 9. Toni Braxton, bankruptcies and health struggles. Toni Braxton enjoyed enormous success as an R&B singer, with hits like Unbreak My Heart and Breathe Again. However, despite selling millions of albums, Braxton declared bankruptcy twice. The first bankruptcy was reportedly due to a poor recording contract, which left her with only a small fraction of her earnings. Braxton's health struggles, including lupus, further complicated her finances, resulting in canceled performances and lawsuits. Though she eventually made a comeback through reality TV and music, Braxton's story reveals the financial difficulties artists can face, even at the height of fame. Number 8. Charlie Sheen, substance abuse and career implosion. Charlie Sheen was once the highest-paid actor on television, earning $1.8 million per episode on 2.5 Men. However, his erratic behavior, fueled by substance abuse, led to public meltdowns and his eventual firing from the show. Sheen's career and reputation plummeted, and he later revealed that he had been diagnosed with HIV. Legal battles with ex-partners over child support payments, combined with excessive spending on drugs and luxury items, left Sheen in a precarious financial situation. While he has made efforts to turn his life around, his downfall was among the most publicized in Hollywood history. Number 7. Terry Polo, legal issues and bankruptcy. Terry Polo, best known for her role in Meet the Parents, shocked fans when she filed for bankruptcy in 2014. Polo cited over $800,000 in debt, including unpaid taxes and legal fees, as the reason for her financial ruin. She also faced eviction from her home, which further exacerbated her situation. Despite her attempts to stay afloat with roles in television shows like The Fosters, Polo struggled to regain the financial stability she once had. Her story highlights how even successful actors can face unforeseen hardships. Number 6. Mike Tyson, from boxing legend to bankruptcy. Mike Tyson was once the undisputed heavyweight boxing champion of the world, earning over $300 million during his career. However, Tyson's lavish lifestyle, featuring mansions, exotic pets, and a collection of luxury cars, quickly depleted his fortune. In 2003, Tyson declared bankruptcy, citing debts of $23 million. He also faced legal troubles, including a prison sentence for rape and lawsuits from former business associates. Tyson has since reinvented himself through appearances in films and a successful podcast, but his financial downfall remains one of the most dramatic in sports history. Number 5. Pamela Anderson, financial struggles and failed marriages. Pamela Anderson rose to fame through her role on Baywatch and became a global sex symbol. Despite her success, Anderson faced financial difficulties, including unpaid taxes and mounting legal fees from failed relationships and real estate investments. She also experienced several costly divorces, which drained her bank accounts. Anderson tried to make a comeback through reality television and activism, but her financial situation remained precarious for years. Today, Anderson focuses on philanthropy and environmental causes, but her story serves as a reminder of how fame can quickly turn into misfortune. Number 4. Britney Spears, conservatorship and lost freedom. Britney Spears was one of the most successful pop stars of her generation, selling millions of albums worldwide and dominating the charts. However, a series of public breakdowns in the mid-2000s led to the establishment of a conservatorship, controlled primarily by her father, Jamie Spears. Although the arrangement was initially set up to protect her assets and well-being, it resulted in Britney losing control over her finances, career, and personal life. For years, Spears' movements and spending were closely monitored, with millions of her earnings used to pay legal fees, her father's salary, and other expenses. The public rallied behind her with the Our Free Britney movement, and in 2021 the conservatorship ended. However, Spears admitted that recovering her independence has been difficult, and she continues to navigate personal and financial challenges to this day. Number 3. Kanye West, career implosion and loss of billionaire status. Kanye West, known for his groundbreaking music career and fashion ventures, was once valued as a billionaire due to his Yeezy brand partnership with Adidas. However, in 2022 and 2023, West's erratic behavior, including anti-Semitic remarks and controversial public appearances, led to his partnerships being terminated. Adidas severed ties with him, wiping out a significant portion of his wealth overnight. In addition to his financial losses, West also faced personal challenges, including a high-profile divorce from Kim Kardashian. His public meltdown affected his reputation, leaving him struggling to repair his brand. While he remains an influential figure in music, the damage to his financial empire has been profound. Number 2. O.J. Simpson, legal troubles and lost reputation. O.J. Simpson was once a beloved NFL star and Hollywood actor, but his life took a drastic turn after he was charged with the murder of his ex-wife Nicole Brown Simpson in 1994. Although he was acquitted in the criminal trial, a civil suit found him liable for the deaths, resulting in a $33.5 million judgment against him. Simpson's legal troubles didn't end there. In 2007, he was arrested for armed robbery, resulting in a 9-year prison sentence. His reputation and career never recovered, and much of his wealth was spent on legal fees and restitution. Simpson now lives a low-profile life, far removed from the fame and fortune he once enjoyed. Number 1. Tori Spelling, debt and family drama. Tori Spelling, the daughter of television mogul Aaron Spelling, was expected to inherit a significant fortune. However, after her father's death, she received only a small portion of his estate. Spelling's financial struggles became public, with reports of mounting credit card debt, unpaid taxes, and multiple eviction notices. Her personal life has also been plagued by challenges, including marital issues with Dean McDermott and a series of reality TV shows that did little to stabilize her finances. Despite growing up in luxury, Spelling now finds herself battling financial instability, often relying on public appearances and small projects to stay afloat. The stories of these celebrities serve as cautionary tales about the fleeting nature of fame and fortune. Despite achieving incredible success, these stars lost everything due to a combination of poor financial management, legal troubles, substance abuse, and personal setbacks. For many, the path to recovery has been long and difficult, with some managing to rebuild their lives while others continue to struggle. These tales also underscore the importance of financial literacy, personal accountability, and mental health awareness. While the allure of wealth and fame is strong, the experiences of these celebrities highlight that without careful planning and support, everything can slip away. If you like our video, do like, comment, and share it in your friends and family. And do not forget to hit the bell icon to stay tuned on more latest updates.